The first law of thermodynamics states that the increase in the internal energy of a system is the sum of the heat supplied to the system and the work done on the system. Since the internal energy of an ideal gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, we can write U is equal to lambda T, where lambda is a constant. Consider a heating process at constant volume. Work done on the system is zero, so the specific capacity at constant volume will be lambda over m. Consider a heating process at constant pressure. Work done on the system is minus P delta V. From here, the specific capacity at constant pressure will be equal to specific capacity at constant volume plus P delta V divided by M delta T. So Cp should be larger because of the additional term.